ma and the young is young na a crapping polo wo baby in Boris in the birthday na
what boy no pa
naked na abufani jina wenyim
what boy no pa
as that we should not mind the picture. Yeah, mind the message na actually. Okay, ya tasi. As the picture because everyone abufraba na naked. One whilst you were naked.
There be na why no on the banner on the wash suit and all the one. Obia ko won the bas all naked no.
Because obia you want more all naked.
Ah.
It's done the cramp was a come to
oh yes, and yeah, definitely.
Was a time katawodo. Another hospital cramp or hospital at Tara was
yeah, it
is okay.
No, but it doesn't even matter. How the fans say now could dry and I walk out, you are not wearing anything. Must that justify says so timid odo or bear my yes or ban or your bar? I mean, maybe some lady the main can ask them that
exactly.
But this one, when I saw it, someone sent it to me from London.
Okay.
Now me knew what was going on. To me when I'm saying what this show no lady no there made me nursing chain. But my issue is that nebano then now they share I deal with Dakola waiting for good. And you saw your college. No, Oba my age now when you were dead. I hear say also not the at the time. What did they at the time? I college when you know, hey Charlie, no. Akolana na wo hano me that is my problem but for the girl obeying one and two okromu
exactly
you understand oh no the case here the case oben na two okromu and naked akon baby me I don't care but akolana wo involving with this no that is the problem it's not good
no am pomoji ma komanyi de ho a yereka no nkofuru kade na den tina be da erabe explanation otu mo zama de na la na banalo onyi no gwar na the massive you
no wrong. How can you be taking shower with Obama? Oh no. It's wrong.
Upon the eye. Woman show most my yet to and more from an fee. Because you show and yet a crap polo contain a why be built to them. Meaning there more than Yankee be on when you want to be for when you want to go. But Abu Fraba wab with 3 years and I'm from a wab and computer babies no once a day. In Kanufuno, they know when you more
when you what's up.
Upon each other, Mazan, who may mention NJ. People are no but this time she's in hot waters. The reason why I can't put
she's been invited near the
CID for Wafrika Pumpolo. Only some of the Bayan and Chamaran Punkamara, the Megan Masum Puman Canas.
Me can ask them put that.
CID for Wafran and Mutumu assisting. She's in hot waters. Because what's the oil child protection agency?
Thank you very much, friends, Mr. Na. Mr. Na send me WBCC here. Or say, what if it was the other way around? A dad kneeling naked in front of the daughter.
Rape.
I mean, look at this.
Rape. But
so how can you or ban what they want to hear way or edema? Obama panaka ne baba.
No.
Agent naked. Or are you naked? Nani kwa kuse on any ba and capture
no.
Charlie, this thing is bad. I'm glad someone invite you and I'm on in casa.
Exactly. And also we feed the Ghana for we've had our own parts to play in this girl's life because us starting, you know. Starting kanka on the door because me care the very first time no posting in naked picture no or was back there or post a picture but only the number of likes only with naked pictures no that meaning there Ghana had but Roger but was for a gospel quote for 2 Instagram page on there you 5 no like but the day ever troll some man young the there will followers and we'll see each other or young casa Ghana phone has so the munsum semi do my way could them into Mupacho who may enjoy the mazana yano who may enjoy the mazana yano because Sisia like Irabano wasn't what I simpa now Roger no video be so no video be social media do not pay me can have some Lowen no nye Calibos, or the was so show when you could be abosokai. Now, or the drum no when you pack a crew one and low Wayne Calibos, natural fair from one with the man, a drum will be a share or honor. Now, Munka day, or your one fault, there where you start, my people go for pedal way and who be go on. But you give there in these times. ye normal times. Yeripa wo chrome. Already nankasa yakadama social distance, no social distance. Yakadama, but oi there, people are taking it for granted. Oi dem nkofu o refi de bibi o hono mo from COVID-19, coronavirus. Na boshe edom, no social distancing. Na to make matters worse, no. Sikano kalibo so this boma na watu sikano
egu crowd no no mo be fom sikano
mara na make sure
omo chiche COVID no
Jerry, I don't know why celebrities and people look up to you. One point, at least you should have used this opportunity to at least educate people on this COVID. Now, why you are instigating?
You can even go like, we appreciate the fact that Charlie but now they all say to Sikagum. No more from more, no more rana, or much COVID, no fans. Into the next time I'll come here with a cane. I'm coming to cane people because minimum wire war accident, but also there. Yes, and I can have some. I don't me fetch had there. I don't know worry them UEFA Champions League. Minimum so Champions League na war banana. Premier League.
Now me for hono na boshe no social distancing. Brentin Kentinka. Wojinjina hono. Wajwafun from one war ball. Obini TV do, and I'm like, what is going on here? As a kind of we referee the BB or off on COVID-19 ana. Na mamun komenyim. Beke there for some time now on yenye shata on the militant in the day or chine day. Sana we have not heard the last of it. Because sisi ano video be a pay. On video no nam chroma. Unkofo recorded the video no. It is to shatter. Yet there was the Natalie. In joint 77, they have come up with a song, but Warrior was a new artist to be was of a Brad Desmond. Now, brother, no nice can create your year when you know. No video, no short video night, and what about a video now? As some brother or kind day. Why you the fake life? I say, why you the fake your life? What you they need in life? You go borrow money for your shoddy. And you claim you be shatter. And you claim you be shatter. Natural brother no more put kind of shatter wall over Rosika, the man girl. Oh, yeah, no, me can't shatter wall. Hey, Mammy. I said, here, what only calls shatter Miss Law. The monster, the one home cacano, I don't call for no point to be no idea what pedal would throw. But a human cassette and human number out, but video no, or a trend. No, Mr. Braja, many one rebump, many one abeche. Okay. In your message, our voters registration.
Oracle. Mate say, Committee 3, Site B, Mount Zion School or Registration Center. No, almost share registration arsenal. Almost say, almost me, shall send him. Okay. And any panels who go, almost train, but almost by 6 p.m. Pepe on the pond. Almost fat time now, she go ahead and ship. Almost at the almost a machine automatically by 6 p.m. Then it will shut down.
I see.
Masa, Mamma toy with you for life. Oh, go fast track with your time matches. I feel about bedroom biswa. Say, a do a power machine will be shut down. I got say.
Roger, it's Mamanka, Mamicha Honorable John Dumelo, Honorable Mamma's Amaneri. Okay. The position at Channel Crammers on fire. Now, son under that. In the day no for 10:35. No John Dumelo so lie.
They pay.
Do call you voters registration. So brother no chede we mean na grow. Nti me bibia so determination share na. It my successful at Asanti. Michelle Honorable John Dumelo papa business my people my sorry do.
All right, I'm about to that say I was fast like I say my pro sponsors on my boy my day fly bro. Manex herbal capsules in patch away remember drew a promote a libido stamina and face sexual potency come up ha. It's bombardier say berry discover the youth in you. Na bibia ko ya femo jedro papa no so a super multivitamin tonic and any friend of HB rich syrup. It is filled with all the essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, be boa yepa. Obenya ni na bi. Our pharmacy shops out on in do pa no. Now our fresh out pharmaceutical 0302 2222 0329 and our fee 020807 2107 and our 0249 436 756. Now on Eddie and come on. Real quick enough for your banner, you wrap up, you fat the aka and 12 also.
Manex discover desire. Manes.
A memedro.
Manes.
A memadiabunie. Manes Kenya Bama Bama Tria Bama.
So what low sperm count? What do I name Manes?
A sanso mahose pema ujina wanasu pinti.
Sanso na edin Kenya ba uni pedriam mauja wanasu kreme.
Enti aya ama mema nkwa.
Sawupe enroi dudu atua kwa Shop Pharmaceuticals Asalam Down. Ubenye bi our pharmaceutical shop PM. Anafre
020-812-9841 and 024-943-6756 and 030-222-0329.
Manes
For men only.
Manix, discover desire. Manix.
Just look at a Festo and it will make you drool. It's young and hip and it's really super cool. Every Festo bite is milky to the core. The moment you taste it, you want some more. No, I won't share it with you, no. It's my Milky Fest. I call it, you call it, we call it Festo. Holly Festo Milk Shortcake. Shortcut to fun.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Okay.
Somebody.
Yeah, Then you know, see, I can't say what to us. I was doing 106.3 FM. Jerry, please wish my niece, Princess Baka, in Atlanta, the United States of America, a happy birthday for me. So happy birthday going out to you, Princess Baka, from Mr. Carl Kafui Baka. A patrol DSTV, some can't show, say, Obeti me share chrome, pay by the points over 100 Yatiogum, and of the mobile agents in now across the country. The oppress only DSTV for you, and Obeti me and now, oh, come on. Yes, DSTV. Feel every moment. Sounds so and our Vodafone, some can't show, says they say Vodafone Red no. They are too much. I don't now also a watch star 200 hash. What you say Vodafone Red 1, Red 30, Red 54, or Red 108. As they say, Red 2, Red 5, and Red 10 bundles, no, it doesn't expire. It's about star 200 hash is here. Now I check it, the refreshed Vodafone Red office, no. It's not say, yeah, Casa, now you're browsing. Ready? Greetings, Jerry. Please, today is my husband's birthday. I want him to know that, yes, I will always love him. And may the good Lord bless him and never let his oil dry on him. In Jesus' name. Wefia Eugenia. Na Lamle Chomenya Mrs. I say Enkoma Nikunu. Christian Chomenya, who is celebrating the birthday today. Happy birthday going out to you, Prince Akwabwa of Ghana Customs and head of auction at GRA headquarters. May the good Lord protect you all the time. Yeah, please wish the following belated birthdays for me. Mrs. Victoria Kesiwa Hazel, Ministry of Education. Mr. Sam Nana Kwame Bonsu, University of Ghana. And then Mrs. Na Odako Solomon, St. James Catholic Church. May the mercy of God locate all of them. From Nana Esina, Angie, Jenny, and teacher Afi. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, check out time already.